Hello and welcome. This is Felix speaking from easybits, and today I brought a workflow with me that helps you to create calendar events from confirmation emails. So let's say you're booking a lot of flights, you're booking rental cars, you're booking tables at restaurants, you receive a lot of email confirmations for these bookings, and from there this workflow helps you to auto create events in your calendar based on the information in the confirmation emails. How did I set this up? So as you can see, I already pulled up the workflow in my n8n instance. I started with a Gmail trigger that actually listens for a specific label. So I created the label events in my Gmail account, and once I give it to an email, it will then get processed through this workflow. So once I gave it the label, the email will be processed. I have two different routes. The first route that you can see up here is for the email body. So it takes the body of the email and actually extracts the information from the content there. And then I have a second route with the attachments. So it's also able to grab the attachments from an email and then extract the information from there through the easybits extractor. Then we have a merge node, which actually helps us to merge the content. So it prioritizes the attachments over the email body. Why did I build it like this? I tested a few examples, and one of them was actually an email that I forwarded. So in that case, the content in the email wasn't really necessary. So it should only take the attachments for this case. That's why I prioritized the attachments over the email body. Then I also integrated a validation gate, which now checks for the information needed to create the calendar event. If all the information are there, it will just push it on to build an event, create it in the calendar, and then remove the label events again, which is really important so no email gets processed twice. If the validation gate finds out that there are missing information, it will flag the missing information with an email back, and it will basically tell me which information are still needed so I can run it and actually create an event out of the email confirmation. Let's get into the examples that I brought with me today. So as you can see, I have two emails here. The first one that I will be showing you has all the information in the email body already, as you might get it from flight booking, something like that. And then I also brought one example with the attachment inside. So you can always be sure that it processes both. What I will be showing you today is, let's just stick with this email where everything is in the email itself, as it would look like if it comes to your direct inbox. And then you will just need to add the label events. And now I can head over to my workflow here. I can execute the workflow. And as you can see, it already starts grabbing the right email that is labeled. It went through it quite fast. So now we should be able to see the event according to the information. And as we can see it here, the event was created in my calendar. So now I have it sitting there. That's a great opportunity for me to save time on manually handing that information over to my calendar, integrating it into my calendar. So that saves me a lot of time there. And now I can just go ahead. It also removes the label events again from the email as mentioned, so it doesn't process the email twice. I just reloaded the page so I can show it to you as well. And as we can see, the label was successfully removed. The event is in my calendar. So now I can just go on, and I will always use this whenever I get a booking confirmation through email. So if you receive a lot of email confirmations from bookings, this is definitely a workflow you should be looking into. I will share the workflow JSON with you on my GitHub in the description of this video. So just make sure to check it out and you can go from there. otherwise, I will see you in the next video. I will be posting more videos like this where I present you some of the workflows that I've built. So make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't be missing out on any videos in the future. I wish you a great rest of your day and I see you in the next video. Bye.